Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So my wife just came out, she's out here on the other side with Zach, and they're just checking to see like which procedure we can do to repair this. And of course, it's not something that we're gonna do right now because the owner's picking up. But she said, you know, hey, we keep coming across these on older units. Now, this unit happens to be a 2018. It was produced in 10 of 2018. So obviously we're gonna seek to get authorization from Grand Design. Now, they have been covering a lot of the repairs, but what my wife was saying is she says, hey, don't just come out of the gate telling people, you know, oh, they're gonna take care of it, right? So we have a special relationship with them, and you know, we've been able to call them up and say, hey, we found another one, here's what's going on, and they've been honoring it. But this again is a unit that is, you know, it's 8 years old or older. And so if they want to go ahead and cover it, that's, you know, absolutely Grand Design stepping up to the plate and taking care of the customer. So we just wanted to say that, you know, if we don't know yet because we haven't submitted it, but if they decide to go ahead and cover this, this is just another example of them stepping up and covering it. I cannot tell you how many things that Grand Design has been taking care of. So for all you guys that are out there and you're following us and you're haters and saying, hey, you know, there's different guys on there saying bad things about me, that I'm kissing tail and this and that. No, I'm not. That company has stepped up and is handling issues that they don't even need to legally handle, and they've been taking care of them for the consumers. So, you know, you got to watch all the misinformation that's going on online. And so, like I said, this one does have frame cracks. So come over here and show you again on this. And we have a couple other videos that I did on it just to show you. But, you know, as you can see, there's a crack in the I-beam here. There's another crack in the I-beam there. And, you know, this is from, you know, just flex. You know, whether they went off in and out of a tight situation, doesn't look like they've ever had a tire blowout. I can see that all their suspension is worn, and you can even see the shininess right there where the actual shackle link has been rubbing up and down. So, you know, if that's something that they want to go ahead and cover for us, it's both a courtesy to us and it's a courtesy to the customer. So again, we appreciate all the work that Grand Design's been approving for us, and same for the customers. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, your RV specialist.